Hi guys, this is lesson 6, Cool Down from Unit 1. Reflect on your work today. How did you organize your thinking? How did you adjust your work and thinking along the way? What was helpful to you? So after reflecting on today's lesson, I think the one thing that was helpful was drawing a picture. And I'm not going to redo the whole problem because we went over it together, but maybe I'll just do this up to 8. And we had our lockers, right? These are lockers. But it was very helpful to also have a code. So we did an X for shutting it, and then an O if it got opened. And then we were stacking them. Some other kids came up with a code with colors. So let me just undo that. So they said like orange was the first kid. And then they were like, oh, the next kid was green. I think is how they were doing it. 4, 6, 8. And then the next kid was like red. And I forget, that one would have been, so it would be open, open. So they had some sort of code. And I think they actually did it like that underneath. And then they were doing different colors. So the different colors would have been helpful, but definitely drawing a picture. So a few other things today. First of all, we really worked on count bys. And another word for count bys would be multiples. So here I have made a list of multiples of 2. And then we worked with 3 multiples of 3. Right? And we did several, but another one we really worked on was 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Those are all multiples of 4. I'm trying to think what else we did. We did talk about some prime and composite numbers. We were looking at some of the numbers that were only touched once or twice, and those numbers were prime, like 3, 7, 11, 17. Those are all prime. They only have 2 factors, 1 and itself, so they're prime. And then composite numbers, right? Okay, I think that's pretty much the gist of what we did. And since this was a reflection, really we were just thinking back to what we did and what worked and what didn't. All right, nice job, you guys.